wan shanga pibaro kibashitong bat ibakia junken.
Haka khat sau terik uno pra ar hajar ar pulai palat ndriu phongot ki Phadar bat ki Brodar kilaya lumlang ha Provincial House ban ai Khublei bat pen ko Burom yo Provincial Bathymmai jong Shillong Province Father John Josiama SDB hakani kasngi ladan ka program balengkot bala sedang syuara ka jingduai board sa ka jingkran ni Provincial Father Paul olengkot hakaba ilai ngu yo ublei na ka benta ka jingyo jong ka Shillong Province yo Provincial Bathymmai harian kane i Father Paul ila khot ya samut ki Phadar ki bami khmat eka Khasi Hills region West Khasi Hills region Mizoram bat Tripura ban pen ko Burom ya Father John Josiama
work for a common mission for your kingdom. We make this prayer. And Director Major called him for Siri, and yesterday Father Biju called me, and when he called me I understood already the time when he called me, and he told me about this. Then we had a long chat with Father Biju Michael, and really Father Biju Michael convey his greetings in the name of Director Major and the General Council to Father and to all of us here. And the General Council.
Father John hakajing kran ula ongba utip shai banang ni shakmat unmat buon kijing handrai ungej scam ba unla banyale persha ya kini kijing da kajing don rengkat jang ublei bat kajing trailang bat kajing aiman siam lang jang ki Phadar bat ki Brodar solution
prayers and starting from Father Provincial, especially who supported me and who organized with the help of the community members this short felicitation. You all know that it is not easy to accept to be the provincial with all the challenges that we know, but trusting in God and also by placing my trust in you all that you will continue to support me as you have supported Father Paul with the previous also, and we will continue to work together. Provincial is only the leader. Without the prayers, it is not possible. You are going to be the hands and the legs and the minds of the provincial also. So that we together we have to do. So that is my what I am thinking that provincial also.
harian kane ladon sakajing ot yo ke di Father John Josiama kum kadak kajing kemen nagabenta ka Shillong Province baro kawe
Okay.